For more on this, I'm joined by former Assistant U.S. Attorney Jeff Robbins, who served as the former Chief Counsel to the Senate Permanent Subcommittee on Investigations. Jeff, thank you for being here. By tomorrow, we shall see the redacted version.
Hi, Mona. Thanks for having me.
Of course. By tomorrow, we should see the redacted version of the affidavit. As John just reported there, the Justice Department had argued that the redactions they'll need to make would render the document void of meaningful content. So big picture, do you think that the public will learn anything of value from what remains?
I think you're going to see page after page after page of black rectangles, each one representing a redaction or a covering up of information that the judge himself has said shouldn't be disclosed. And you can bet that within seconds of the release of the redacted document, there are going to be certain people who are going to look at the point to certain of those black rectangles and say, look, if you hold it sideways, you can see that it's Hunter Biden who provided the information for probable cause. We're going to get some information. We're probably going to get a repeat of the information we already know about, namely the attempt over and over and over again to get Team Trump to comply with the request for the documents and the various dissembling and stonewalling and ultimately false statements that came in return. But I don't think, of course, you're going to see the kind of information that people want to see, which is who told the Department of Justice what from the inside.
And Jeff, the judge said the redactions are narrowly tailored, but should we expect to see entire pages or sections that are just blacked out in order to protect witnesses and sensitive details?
You're going to see a whole lot of black on these pages because those are going to be the guts of the affidavit. That is to say, the individuals who are cooperating with the FBI and the Department of Justice, what information they told the Department of Justice. And you're also going to see, of course, black rectangles where the nature of the information, the contents of the documents that were wrongfully taken and wrongfully withheld, that information is provided. So they're going to be a lot of rectangles. People should expect to see a whole lot of black and not much that is not already publicly known.
And of course, this is a case with huge national interest to the point that the Attorney General has spoken so publicly about it. So how does the Justice Department balance the public's right to know more about why the former president's home was searched while still protecting the course of the investigation? Do you think they can do both?
Well, it's a great question. I'm sure there are prosecutors on that team who are thinking, you want to see over there on Fox and Friends what the probable cause was to find that the former president committed crimes. You want to see probable cause? We'll show you probable cause. But of course, they can't do that because, as you suggest, information has to be obtained for the protection of people who are now cooperating and who will be cooperating. And the government doesn't want them intimidated or frozen in their cooperation. But there will be some information that's provided, and it's an impossible needle to thread perfectly. But the Department of Justice is working hard to try to find some way to thread it.
Former prosecutor Jeff Robbins, thank you.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.